I would like to put Dexter into the waiting room.
Okay.
Mr. Dexter, I'm put you in the waiting room. We'll call your matter in a few.
Okay.
Okay, I'm bringing out Chris. Would you like me to bring them all out, Your Honor, or just one at a time?
You can bring them all out. It's fine.
Okay. Court's in session, everybody. Please mute your devices. 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans. While court's in session, there'll be no reading, talking, sleeping, eating, conversing with your pets, try to limit all noise. Excuse me, put your device on mute. Good morning, Your Honor. Court is now in session.
Thank you, Mr. Pepper. Good morning. We can start with Nada Risk. Ms. Risk, turn your video on and unmute yourself, please.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. This is the People versus Nada Risk. Ticket number. Ticket number U 601-10921. Count 1. Trespassing in restricted area.
Yes.
Good morning. Please state your name for the record, starting with counsel, Ms. Martin.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alicia Martin, P69003, on behalf of Ms. Risk.
Ms. Risk,
Your Honor, this is,
I'm sorry.
go ahead, Ms. Risk, state your name for the record.
Nada Mohammed Risk.
Your Honor, this is the date and time set for pretrial in this matter. The people have made a motion to dismiss, or made an offer to dismiss. We do not object to that offer and we stipulate the probable cause.
All right, so this count 1 is dismissed without prejudice. Did you have any questions, Ms. Risk?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, you're all set, ma'am. Log off. Good luck to you.
Okay, thank you so much. Have a good day.
You too, thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
What do you want to do next? Was it Ms. Rosemont?
Ms.
Yes.
Rosemont, activate your video and unmute.
She's calling from the phone. So Ms. Rosemont, can you unmute yourself at *6?
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. Ms. Martin,
Yes,
the one ticket from Ms. Roseland, or do you have?
I have two, Judge. The one that's a recommendation for dismissal and the other one she's going to plead to.
Is she gonna plead to the state ticket?
Yes.
Okay. All right, this is the People versus Princess Rosemont, ticket number P394557. Count 1, allowing a licensed driver to drive. Rosslyn Huron, ticket number 1456653. Count 1, drive while license not valid. I also see another ticket.
You got a couple tickets here.
Hold on one second, Ms. Martin. I think there might be another ticket.
I think something, there's no chance if they're false. I think there's still no infraction. So.
Civil infraction. Yes.
Go ahead. Thank you.
Thank
All
you,
right.
Judge.
Thank you. Okay, so there are two other tickets that are in default currently. But we'll deal with these two. Ms. Martin, you want to say your name for the record?
Alicia Martin, Your Honor, P69003 on behalf of Ms. Redmond.
Ms. Roseman, can you say your name for the record?
Christmas Angeline Roseman.
Ms. Martin, how does your client wish to proceed?
Your Honor, Ms. Roseman is going to plead to SP 3945571 and 145665831 is going to be dismissed.
Okay, Ms. Roseman, can you raise your right hand?
Yes,
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
yes,
Okay, you can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Martin today in private about your case and your rights.
yes,
Does anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything of value in exchange for your plea today?
no,
You're pleading of your own free will,
yes,
and you're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
yes,
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial,
yes,
and knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
yes,
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of April 26th, 2015. On that date, at approximately 12:57 p.m., on that date and time, were you at or near the location of westbound Grand River and Strathmore in the city of Detroit?
yes,
Were you in a 2004 vehicle?
yes,
Or you were in the vehicle?
yes,
And did you allow an unlicensed driver to drive that vehicle?
yes,
Okay, so you're satisfied with the factual basis, Ms. Martin?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and then you stipulate, and you might have said this, but you do stipulate the probable cause as the remaining count to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so the court is also satisfied with the factual basis, and as to disposition, Ms. Roseman, you have two tickets that are already in default. I'm not sure how much you owe on those.
I acknowledge that.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is order a fine of $200 as to the ticket that you just made an initial. Are you working?
I'm part-time, slowly working. I'm a beautician stylist, but due to COVID, I lightened up and it just made me lose my clientele. So I'm building back up slowly but surely.
Okay, so how much time do you think you'll need to make this payment?
How much, say that, repeat that, ma'am.
How much time do you think you'll need to pay this ticket?
How much is the total ticket?
$200?
Could you repeat?
$200?
I will need on the first of the month of the following month, which is June 1st.
Okay, so I'll give you the June 27th.
That'll be just fine.
Okay, so I'll give you the June 27th to pay this ticket, and you also still need to take care of the default matters, okay?
I will take care of it. I'm trying to get my license, so I'm looking forward to
Right,
taking care of
okay.
that, so I can go back to day one.
Did you have any questions?
No, I do not.
Okay, you're all set, ma'am. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
You can hang up. He Chief Dexter?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, sir.
Okay, yes, I'm here, Your Honor.
Okay. Give me 1 second, Mr. Dexter.
Okay.
Okay, I'm sorry about that. Let's go on the record. This is the People versus Keith Dexter on case number 0532964. Count one, operating while intoxicated. Good morning. Please state your names for the record, starting with Ms. Martin.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alicia Martin, P69003 on behalf of Mr. Dexter.
Mr. Dexter, can you state your name for the record, sir?
Oh, yes, my name is Chief Dexter, Your Honor.
Ms. Martin?
Your Honor, Mr. Dexter had pled on this matter to a reduced charge of operating while visibly impaired. However, he still owes $686 on this file. And so that's why it's here today on a bench warrant. So I'm asking that you recall the warrant and allow Mr. Dexter some time to pay the balance that he owes.
Okay. The court will recall the warrant. And what's the total amount again, Ms. Martin?
$686.
Mr. Dexter, are you working, sir?
Yes, I'm working, Your Honor.
Okay, so how much, I mean, it's a lot of money. How much time do you think you'll need to pay that?
Okay, I would like to pay that by the 13th. I'd like to pay that by the 13th, but since it's so old, I understand that they put extra fines on them. Is there any way I could get the extra fines taken off or no?
Oh, man. That was a long time ago.
Yeah, about 15 years.
I'll give you more time.
Oh, no, I need.
How about
Say that
August
again.
8th?
Yeah, August the 8th, but I'm trying to get my license like as soon as possible. So I would like, if I pay before August the 8th, I would like to be able to go to the Secretary of State and get my license back.
Yes, if you pay it, then you
Okay.
should be able, but you're probably gonna also have to pay some reinstatement fees at the Secretary of State.
Okay.
So I'll give you to August 8th to pay it, but I'm sure you want to get it taken care of as fast as possible. So I would just pay it as
Correct.
soon as you can.
Right. Then let me ask you one more question, Your Honor, please.
Yeah.
I walked into 36th District and they
Okay.
told me that they tacked on some more fines.
Yeah.
Is there any way I can get the fines taken off?
Here's the thing, Mr. Dexter, there is a 20% penalty fee. So I'm gonna waive that. So it's gonna bring you down.
Okay.
Again, let me do my little math. So it's gonna be 570,
Okay, Your Honor, that sounds good.
okay? So
Yes.
you got the 570 you can pay, and then you might have to pay some more money with the Secretary of State. Did you have any other
Okay.
questions?
Yes. When I came there, I gave them a $200 deposit for the warrant. Does that goes towards the 570?
Yeah, it can, yes, if you gotta come down to the bond office.
Okay, I just want to make sure on that also.
So that brings it down to 370. So.
Yes, it does. Yeah.
All right. Any other questions?
No, that's it. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, you're welcome. You're all set, Mr. Dexter. Good luck to you, sir.
Okay, appreciate it. Enjoy your day.
All right. Thank you for your patience, everyone. How about Ms. Angela Reese? Is she here?
She's here, Judge. We're ready on her.
Okay, Ms. Reese, can you unmute yourself? Ms. Reese, can you unmute yourself?
Whoa, it's not working. I'm trying to unmute.
It is.
Yeah, I can hear you. You're unmuted.
Then you muted yourself back. Touch the microphone again, Miss Reed. Okay, you're good now.
All right.
Okay. Miss Martin?
Yes.
I see an offer.
Yeah, the offer is for dismissal on the 2012 case, and that's due to age. And the 05 case that's also on the docket was previously adjudicated. However, she owes a balance on that one.
Thank you. Okay, all right. So this is the people versus Angela Reese on ticket number 125228987, count 1, false information / ID to a police officer. And then we're also here on ticket number 05126091, count 1, operating while visibly impaired. Good morning. Please state your name for the record.
Alicia Martin, Your Honor, P69003 on behalf of Ms. Reese.
Ms. Reese, can you say your name, ma'am?
Angela Reese.
Your Honor, the people have made an offer to dismiss case 12-522-9871 and case number 05-126-091 was previously adjudicated. However, Ms. Reese owes a balance of $145 on that case. So she just needs time to resolve that balance.
Oh, it's $145?
Yes.
All right. So the court will stipulate the proper cause as the ticket number ending in 987 to be dismissed without prejudice.
Yes.
So that is dismissed without prejudice. And then with $145, Ms., how much time do you need to pay that?
At least 30 days, Judge.
Okay. So June 13th will be the due date.
What did you say, Judge? Excuse me?
June 13th.
Yes, ma'am, that's fine.
Okay. Did you have any questions?
Yeah, just one for you. I went to jail. I can't remember what year I had I've had a TIA, so it's kind of hard for me to remember a little bit, but I went to jail, I think a couple years ago. I was in Wayne County because I had a warrant. They said I had a warrant. So when they paid my bond and everything, basically asked them, was it anything else? I don't even know what my warrant was for. I don't remember between me and you. I think it may have been for this, but either way, we paid like a nice amount of the bond. So after that, I never heard anything else from 36th District. So when I went to try to get my license, wasn't too long ago, and Secretary of State gave me this paperwork. So I called down there and I talked to this lady, and she was explaining to me that the tickets were owed and everything. And I was asking her, well, when I was in jail, well, that money I paid, where did it go to? And she couldn't really give me an explanation. Like, what did I pay all that money for? I'm just confused because it was a warrant out for my arrest. But a warrant for what? Is it the old tickets that I'm repaying? I'm about to pay again right now. Like, I don't really know, what did I pay all that money for? What was the warrant for?
So when you were in jail and you paid money to be released, that was a bond.
Yes.
That was
Yes.
a bond.
Okay.
But whenever your court date was after that, you did not appear. And so that bond was forfeited. So that money is gone.
Okay. But she said, so I asked her about that. She said, well, they sent you a court date 2 years later. And I do believe that we moved from that address, Judge, by that time though. So I'm not saying that I'm not at fault, and I'm not at fault, but at the same time, am I all the way at fault for not, because I didn't know that, I didn't have any information because I moved. It was like I moved and they were sending stuff to there and I wasn't living there no more.
When you have open matters with the court, it is your responsibility to keep them apprised of your current address because that's the only way they have to communicate with you. So if your address changes, you need to inform the court so that they know where to send your information.
Okay.
So
Thank you.
you still have to pay for the ticket that you haven't paid for, and then this new one has been dismissed. Okay.
Okay.
All right, and that's the $145. And I
Yes,
forgot the
ma'am.
date that I gave you. I think it was 13th.
The 13th of June, right?
Yeah,
Okay. I could come down here and pay it, 36th District?
yeah, I'm
Okay.
sorry.
I was asking you, could I come down to 36th District and pay it?
You can come down to 36th District Court, or you can pay it online, or you can also call.
Okay.
Oh, I'm sorry. You know what? There's a third ticket also from 2021, Ms. Martin, allowing a licensed driver to drive.
I wasn't aware, Your Honor, it's not on the docket. Does it have a court date?
It was scheduled for an arraignment. What's the date of birth? Make sure we got the right person.
I didn't even get nothing from 2/27/72.
Yeah, that's it. It's scheduled for an arraignment. It was scheduled for arraignment on March the 10th, 2022 at 1:30, there was a show cause scheduled for October 17th.
What,
So
they got my address now, so why didn't even receive anything?
Ms. Martin, the show cause scheduled for that particular ticket on October the 17th.
Okay, so you probably just haven't received it yet, since the date is not until October. But you need to check your name, because if someone owns a vehicle or is driving a vehicle and it's registered in your name, every time they get a ticket, you're gonna get a ticket. So if somebody in your family has a car in your name and they don't have a valid license, that's gonna continue to affect you. Every time they get a ticket, you're gonna get a ticket.
How am I supposed to stop that? Think about, I don't know who this is. I don't know who it, and then that's brand new, like literally brand new.
Hold on, Ms. Martin, we can recall this matter if you want to speak to Ms. Reed a little bit more. And we can have Ms. Horn to come down and give a different offer, if possible.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll recall this. Okay, Raina Flores.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. This is the People versus Edgar, Raina Flores on ticket number P1233026, count 1, improper plate, count 2, drive unregistered or entitled vehicle, and count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please state your names for the record, starting with Ms. Martin.
Yes.
Alicia Martin. Hold on, Mr. Raina Flores. Alicia Martin, P69003, on behalf of Mr. Raina Flores. Now state your name, Mr. Raina Flores.
Edgar Alfonso Reina Flores.
Okay, Your Honor, Mr. Flores is going to be pleading to count 1, and counts 2 and 3 will be dismissed. We stipulated to probable cause for the purposes of the dismissals.
Okay. Mr. Raina Flores, can you raise your right hand?
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Martin in private about your case and your right.
Okay.
Did you say yes?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your plea today?
Yes.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
You understand that by waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with this guilty plea?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to direct your attention to the date of April 3rd, 2021 at approximately 4:56 p.m. on that date and time. Were you at or near the location of Michigan Avenue and Cecil Street in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2005 Ford?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you have improper plate?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the factual basis, Ms. Martin?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm satisfied.
The court is also satisfied with the factual basis. As to sentencing, Mr. Raina Flores, there is going to be a fine of $200. Are you working, sir?
Yes, I'm working.
Okay, how much time you need to pay that? You can do it in 30 days. You need a little more time than that.
Yeah, it's possible. Yeah, I can take 30 days for pay the ticket.
You need 30 days or do you need more than 30 days?
Yeah, no, 30 days, okay, Your Honor.
Okay, so June 13th would be the due date.
You say June 13th?
June 13th, sir. Did you have any questions?
Yeah, it's possible. Can you repeat the amount again?
$200.
Okay.
Okay, are you all set?
All right, Your Honor. Thank you so much and happy good day.
Thank you, sir. Malcolm Rhodes.
I think Mr. Rose might still be in the waiting room, Judge. I don't see him on the screen.
We'll bring him out, but we'll go with Charnel Ross. You can unmute yourself, Ms. Ross.
Hello.
Yes, hello. This is
Hi.
the people business, Charnel Ross, a ticket number P1155406, count 1, drive an registered or untitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Martin.
Alicia Martin, P69003, on behalf of Ms. Ross.
Ms. Ross, say your name, please.
Charnel Ross.
Your Honor, the people have made an offer to amend the charge to improper plates, and Ms. Ross wants to accept that offer.
Ms. Ross, can you raise your right hand?
No.
You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Martin today in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your plea today?
Can you repeat that?
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of January 15, 2021 at approximately 1:54 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near the location of Livernois and West McNichol in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you in a 2007 Ford vehicle?
Yes.
And did you, I'm sorry, you were driving it. And was the vehicle unregistered or untitled?
Yes.
You're satisfied with the factual basis, Ms. Martin?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm also satisfied with the factual basis. We'll amend the original charge to improper plate. We'll proceed to sentencing. Ms. Ross, there's gonna be a $200 fine. How much do you need to make this payment?
30 days.
So that's also gonna be June 13th. Did you have any questions?
No.
Right, you are all set.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, good luck to you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Darnell,
Yes.
did Zachary Ritz check in? He was in another courtroom they called. He never checked in?
No, well, he was late. He didn't appear until 10:30, and I don't see him in the waiting room. Okay, I'll take care of him when we finish.
Okay,
Okay,
prosecutor has the file.
all right.
You can do, Mr. Davis. Ms. Martin, have you spoken to Mr. Davis?
Yes.
Hello.
Hold on, Mr. Rhodes.
Okay. So, okay, Ms. Reed, I'm gonna put you back in the breakout room. So I'm gonna put you in breakout room number 2. And then when Ms. Martin is available, she'll come and speak with you, okay? So just wait right there.
And Ms. Martin, I'm dismissing her allowing. I'm just gonna, good morning, APA Cole, Tamika Horn. So I'm just gonna leave the OWI to Ms. Cole. Since before 2005, you know, they didn't belong to the city. They actually were state matters.
He's on there.
Yeah, it was previously adjudicated. She just owes money on the OWI.
Okay, good deal. I still dismiss the allowing.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Ms. Reed, you can join that breakout room. We're gonna do Jarrell Davis, and then we'll do Mr. Rhodes, and then Ms. Martin. Go back. Speak with her. So Ms. Reed, you can join that breakout room. Do you see something that says join? You can join that.
Oh,
You see room 2, join room 2. All right, this is the People versus Jarrell Davis. Ticket number 389535, count 1. No operators permit license, and then count 2. Uninsured motor vehicle. We're also here on ticket number 370226. Count 1, no operator permit. Good morning, please say your name for the record. Starting with Ms. Martin.
Alicia Martin, P69003 on behalf of Mr. Davis.
Mr. Davis, say your name.
Jarrell Davis.
Your Honor, Mr. Davis is gonna take advantage of the people's offer and plead guilty on the 173702261. They're amending the charge to failing to display a license.
All right, Mr. Davis, can you raise your right hand? Turn your video back on, sir.
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Martin today in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes, ma'am.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes, ma'am.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm going to direct your attention to the date of October 3rd, 2017 at approximately 2:45 p.m. On that date and time, were you at the Schoolcraft in Strathmore in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2005 Saturn vehicle?
Yes.
Did you not have an operator permit?
Yes.
You're satisfied with the factual basis, Ms. Martin?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm also satisfied with the factual basis will amend the original charge to fail to display, and you are stipulating the proper cause as to the remaining counts to be dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor.
So those are dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. Mr. Davis, there is a $200 fine for you as well, sir. How much time do you need to pay that? Are you working?
Yes, I'm starting a job this week. You can give me to the end of June. I'll pay at the end of June.
Okay. Is June 27th enough time, or do you need a little bit more time than that? I can do July 11th.
Yeah, that's fine.
June 27th or July 11th?
You can do July 11th. Give me a little extra more time.
We'll do July 11th. So, okay, so your due date will be July 11th. Did you have any questions?
So am I eligible to go and get my license, or do I gotta wait until I pay this ticket off first?
If your license is suspended, there may be some reinstatement fees.
Okay, I understand that. So,
You need to
but
pay
that's
the ticket- you
that's
need to
like
pay-
stopping.
Yeah, you need to pay the ticket off first.
Okay. But all my warrants and everything is cleared up.
Yes.
Okay.
Any other questions?
Nope, that'd be it.
Okay, you're all set, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Ms. Cole, you need anything?
Ms. Cole, what's the person you here on again?
I think the tickets are Lakeitha Dallas.
Oh, yeah, Dallas. Ms. Martin, you ready to do that one now? While we have the state prosecutor, did you get?
I hate to admit this, but I don't have a copy of the ROA. I've been having some computer issues this morning, and I wasn't sure I know that the city did some offers, but I wasn't quite sure what the state charges were.
I emailed you the copy of the tickets.
Yeah, I was looking for that. I was hoping you did that and I didn't see it. I'll go check my email again.
Let me make sure I got the right email, but I did email it to you.
Did you?
Let's see.
pcole@waynecounty.com.
Let's see if this is. This is Dallas. Okay, Pico.
Yeah, it would just be my initial pcole@waynecounty.com.
Yep, that's what I sent it to.
Wonder why I didn't. Okay,
I sent it again.
please,
So
thank you,
we'll recall it then.
thank you.
Okay, and we'll do Mr. Rhodes. Mr. Rhodes, you can unmute yourself, but I need you to be seated. A little distracting when you're walking around, sir. Or
Sorry
you
about
stand.
that.
I just need you in one spot.
Yeah, gotcha.
Okay.
Understood.
All right, this is the people versus Malcolm Rhodes II on ticket number 737-507. Count one, unregistered motor vehicle. Good morning, please take your names for the record, starting with Attorney Martin.
Martin, P69003 on behalf of Mr. Rhodes.
Mr. Rhodes, take your name, sir.
Malcolm Scott Rhodes II.
Your Honor, Mr. Rhodes has one ticket, one count for I'm sorry, I'm looking for his matter on the list. Oh, for unregistered, and the people have moved to amend it to improper place. He wants to accept that offer.
Okay, Mr. Rhodes, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Martin today in private about your case and your right.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea.
Yes.
All right, I'm going to direct your attention to to the date of September 29, 2021, approximately 6:52 p.m. on that date and time where you asked Monroe and Bovian in the city of Detroit.
Yes, I was.
Were you driving a 2019 Honda?
Yep, Honda Pilot. Yes.
Okay, and the vehicle was unregistered?
Yes.
Okay, you're satisfied with the factual basis, Ms. Martin?
Yes, Your Honor.
Satisfied with the factual basis, will amend the original charge to a proper place. And as the sentencing, Mr. Rhodes, there's going to be a $200 fine. Are you working, sir?
Self-employed, but I would, if you could, possibly move it out a month. We've had some issues, not issues, but we've had some developments with the hospital between my most recently, my recent daughter, which was born on January. So we're still trying to clear a few things up.
How about August 8th, sir?
August 8th? Sounds good.
Yes. I mean, yeah. Is it going to be an issue for you to pay the $200 or?
Not at all.
Okay.
It will get paid, 100%.
Okay. So we'll do August 8th, and then it's 200. And did you have any questions, sir?
No, ma'am. Or no, Your Honor.
Fine. Then you're all set, sir. Good luck to you and good luck with your daughter, sir.
Thank you. Take care.
You too.
Mr. Riggs.
Yes.
Okay, I have renamed your device. I'm going to put you in what is called a breakout room. Wait patiently in that room. The House Counsel, which will be your attorney, will be in to speak with you about your matters very shortly, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna put you in breakout room number 3.
Okay.
Martin,
What?
Mr. Martin,
I click on this.
Yeah, yes.
Okay.
Click join.
Martin, on Rich, count 1 is, he's pleading on count 1, and count 2 and 3 will be dismissed.
Okay,
Call it with the last 4 numbers, 7881. Can I have your name?
Jason Sorrell Robinson.
Mr. Robinson. Oh, okay, Mr. Robinson. You must have hung up. Jason. Mr. Robinson, you don't have video?
I was trying that. I can go back and try it again.
Okay, Mr.
I
Robinson.
got this.
I'm a
Do
listen.
you want?
Listen,
Yes.
Mr. Robinson. I'm gonna put you in a
Okay.
breakout room, and an attorney will be with you momentarily to speak with you about your matters. Okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna put you in breakout room number 4.
Still haven't seen the tickets on the Keith Dallas. I checked my email twice. I mean, it would take me 10 minutes to walk over there.
You just want me to give you the tickets, information on the ticket?
Yeah, I can't because I've checked my email and something's going wrong.
Did you get my emails, Ms. Cole?
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear him.
Did you get my emails from me?
Yeah, I did.
So I'll have Mr. Lewis send them to me, and then maybe I'll send them to you. I mean, not maybe. Then I'll send it to you and see if that works.
Oh, thank you. I'll check right now.
Well, I haven't done it yet.
Oh, okay.
There it is.
Mr. Ratliff, do you have offers on Nicole Russ? Oh, no, I have Miss Russell, but Robinson, Jason Robinson?
Jason Robinson, plead guilty to case ending in 7701, which is gonna be failed to display and count 2 to be dismissed.
He also has an FTD. I mean, not an FTD, an offer to engage. A U ticket.
Hold on.
Don't think can be done with that one. Is
Oh,
please
I
get-
just sent it to you, so hopefully maybe that'll work.
Okay, let's see here. Let's see. Oh, I don't see anything.
You talking about account 1 and 2, Ms. Martin? On Jason?
No, I'm talking about a U ticket, U45829718.
Hold on one second, because I don't have that.
It's on the docket.
Wasn't no ticket in the folder. I ran our way because I didn't have a file.
Okay, U458-29718.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, wait, it said undeliverable. I wonder why. Oh, wait, let me do it again. Okay, let's see if this works, Ms. Cole.
Got it.
You got it?
Yep. Thank
Oh,
you.
great.
Oh.